Okay, so I'm going to make a video, even though I didn't want to, because I thought this wasn't something that needed, but I'll do it anyway. So here we go, and I'll take. So if you do take the time to watch it, please watch it. So let's go to question 16, 13, 14, 15. I will not do. And right over here, let's write 100. So you have 35 books on your bookshelf, 14 are baseball. What percent of books are baseball? So very straightforward. 35 books is a total. 14 of them are baseball. So what would be the mystery number here? Is there something I can do here? There's no relationship between 35 and 100. Up and down, nothing times 14 comes 35. So I can simplify. Divide that by 7, I get 2. Divided by 7, I get 5. So I get 2/5 as my new ratio. Is there now a relationship with 100? Yes, times 20. And on top will be times 20, giving me 40. Okay. 17, you purchase some new shoes. The cost of the shoes. So again, let's see. It's $49. So that's a total. 100 goes over here. And you paid some tax. Welcome to the world of tax. And the total tax that you paid, 2.45. And that's the part of it was tax. What percent did you pay in tax? So what was the percent here? If you take your calculator, side to side, 49 to 100. Nothing times 49 equals 100. So what about 49 and 2.45? Is the relationship here? Let's see if there's anything multiplied by 245. I'm going to divide 49 by 245, and I get 20. So here, 245 to 249 is times 20. Or let me just backwards, actually. Let me just go backwards, sorry. Percent. How does a 49 become 245? Divided by 20. Now I'm going to divide over here by 20. And 100 divided by 20 is 5. So what was the percent tax-wise? 5%. 18, you're shooting hoops. Okay. And you make 152 out of 200. Ooh, 152. You make that's the part. 200 is the total. Over here. So out of 100%, what would that be equal to? So relationship, divide by 2. Divide by 2, and 152 divided by 2 equals 76%. So you make 76% of your shot. 19, you have 7 cats that live in houses. 17 cats, 24 dogs, 3 fish, 4 hamster. Jeez. What percent of the animals are dogs? Okay. So 100, so it's still a percent. So what's the total number of animals? So 17 plus 24 plus 3 plus 4, and that all equals to 48. So there's a total of 48 animals here, and 24 of them are dogs. What percent would that equal? So this is your setup. Let's find a relationship. Side to side, 48 to 100, nothing, but up and down, there is one. How does this 48 become a 24? Divided by 2. So here will be divided by 2, giving us 50. So 50% of the animals are dogs. 20. Am I even recording? Hang on a second, guys. Yes, thank you. I'm recording. And then 20. 65% of the students in the school participate in one school activity, at least one. How many do not? So this is a tricky, not tricky question. There are 2 ways of doing it. You can set it up like this: 100, 980 kids, and you get 65%. And 65%, this is the percent of the crowd that participate. So you can find a number and then subtract it by 980, or I'll do it both ways. So let's find how many participate. Okay, so 65% is the relationship here. Let's divide by 5. Divided by 5, that's going to be 13. And divide this by 5 is going to be 20. So now there's a relationship between 920 and 980. And I'm going to use a calculator, divided by 20, and that relationship is times 49. Times 49 times 49 again. So 49 times 13 on top is 637. So 637 kids participate in something, at least one activity. So how many do not? Well, it'd be the difference between 980 minus 637. And if you subtract that, you're going to get 300. Ooh, no. 980 minus 637. 343 kids. How is it 300? Okay, yes. 343 kids do nothing. They don't participate in anything. So that was one way of doing it. The other way of doing it, and I'm going to take that same setup, 980 and 100. But instead of writing 65%, I'm going to write 35%. Well, if 65% participate, that obviously means that about 100%, 35% don't. So I could have gone straight and used 35% because that represents the number of kids who don't do anything. Okay, and let's see if it gives me the same answer, which is 343. So 35 divided by 5 is 7. 100 divided by 5 is 20. Relationship is times 49. And on top, it's times 49. 7 times 9 is 63. Take 6. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 6, 343. Look. It takes us to the answer directly. You will not need to subtract over here. Okay? Oh, God. 21. You are at a restaurant and owe $38 for your meal. You want to leave a 20% tip. How much will your tip be? Okay, so fair question. 100%, 100. So the total food was $38. You want to leave the waiter a 20% bill out of 38. So what would that be? So is there a relationship? Ooh. No, but up and down there is. How does 100 become a 20? Divide by 5. So over here, we're going to divide by 5. And 38 divided by 5 is going to be 7.6. So if your bill comes out to $38, you're going to leave the waiter $7.60 as a tip. Okay, assuming all service was good. 22, you earned a lot of money mowing lawns this summer. You decide to save 70% of it. 70% of it, which was $350. How much money did you make in total? So here we're looking for the total. So 100%, you saved 70%, and the 70% meant that $350 went to your savings account. So that's, we know how much you saved. So you saved $350 out of, what was your total? How much did you make over the summer? Is a relationship 70 to 350? Yes. Times 5. And over here is going to be times 5. And 100 times 5 is 500. So it means that over the summer you made $500, of which you saved 350. Okay, which that equals 70% of your earnings. 23. 45% of the trees in the park are apple. There are 27 apple trees. How many trees are in the park at all? So again, it's a total question. 100%, 45. So 45%. If there were 100 trees, 45% of them would be apple trees, but they're not. So 45% in this case represents 27 trees. And what is the total here? Is there a relationship? Ooh, let's see. Divide 45 by 5, it gives me 9. Divide 100 by 5 gives you 20. Now is the relationship? Yes, times 3. And this will be times 3. So there were 60 trees in this park, of which 27 of them are apple trees. Last one, Bell jelly beans. What percent of the jelly beans are pink and yellow? So you want all the pink and yellows. So we need a total though. So let's add this up. 13 plus 12 plus 20 plus 10 plus 7 plus 11. That gives you a total of 73 jelly beans. And we want the ones that are pink and yellow. Pink is... Pink. Where's pink? Oh, pink is 13. Yellow is 20. So that's 20 plus 13 is 33. 33 out of 73 are pink and yellow. What percent would that be? Is there a relationship here? Okay. So, and the key word here actually it's approximately. So you don't have to be exact. Okay, approximately. Is there a relationship between 33 and 73? Well, find one. Since you have a calculator, what multiplied by 33 would give you 73? Because we're going, actually, what divided by 73 would give you 33. We're going this way. So 73, let's see, divided by 33 equals 2.21. So 73 divided by 2.21. 73 divided by 2.21. Does that give you 33? Yeah, sort of. So we're going to divide this by 2.21. We're going to divide that side by 2.21. And now 100 divided by 2.21 is going to give us 45. So 45% of the jelly beans are pink and yellow. Okay, so hopefully that helps, and now we'll load it up. Okay, put it online right away. Stop record.